so many processed foods that it's impossible to stay healthy and to be able to live a long life. And so I want to change all that to give you guys an opportunity to know that you can still eat really healthy on a budget. So here we're going to make a green juice. We have kale and spinach for strong bones. We have carrots over here with vitamin A. It's good for your eyes and skin. We have some cucumbers over here. They hold a lot of water and other very important ingredients. We have some celery, some green apple for some vitamin C and immunity boosting. We have some ginger from anti-inflammatory. Same with lemon, packed with vitamin C. And we have some mint to go ahead and spice up our little drink here. So today, Dexter and I are gonna walk you through just go ahead and juicing all these ingredients together.